Hello, I'm Errol Mobius and I'd like to welcome you here again to the Heidelberg Print Media Center in Atlanta. Today we'd like to talk to you about the Analox rollers used in our coating units on our Heidelberg range of machines. The Analox roller that we've chosen is what we know as a GTT roller. Now many of you might think about roller engravings and types of rollers and know that there's a number of different rollers out there. The roller we've chosen is the GTT roller, and we use that because we believe with our combination of roller and Saphira consumables, we're able to have a much nicer, much smoother laydown and effect of our coating surface. But to give you a little bit more detail and information about this roller and the technology that's involved in it, I'd like to hand you over to Peter Halbert from our Saphira Consumables Coating Division.
Hello, my name is Peter Halbert. I'm the Product Manager for Coatings for Heidelberg, USA, and today we're going to talk about GTT Analox roller technology for the coating unit. Over the years we've seen the evolution of an Analox roller. Analox rollers in the coating unit started life as a mechanically engraved roller, then progressed to a CO2 engraved roller, then a garnet gemstone engraved roller, a laser engraved roller, and now we have the GTT engraved roller, which you will see has a very different cell structure to the normal Analox rollers. So three things have changed with our new GTT Analox roller. So the material has changed, the cell design has changed, and the laser type used to engrave that roller has changed. So here we're going to have a look and examine all these changes and the advantages that they bring. So the normal Analox rollers are 100% chromium oxide, 100% ceramic. The GTT roller is 80% chromium oxide and 20% titanium dioxide. This titanium makes the roller very, very hard material, which makes the roller lifetime much longer than a traditional Analox roller. In this picture you can see the pulse laser. You can see each and every pulse and how that makes our cell base quite uneven as compared to the constant stream laser, which is our GTT. Here you can easily see the very sharp defined cell wall and the very smooth cell base. In these pictures you can see the coating laid down on a printed sheet from an Analox hex roller, and then you can see the equivalent from our GTT roller. The coating layer from the GTT roller has no air bubbles, and we've probably got about 10 more gloss points. The customer has two options here. If we go with a GTT, we can choose to enhance the quality of our job, or we can choose to save coating volume. If we have two rollers, one is a hexagonal roller and one is a GTT roller, they're both the same cell volume, we will find that we can have 10 more gloss points with the GTT. So the choice is a customer. Do we want to use a smaller GTT roller and repeat what the customer had before in terms of gloss and quality? So we have a potential for very large savings there. Some customers choose to enhance the quality and improve the gloss points with the GTT. So in these pictures you can see the Analox hex roller on the left side that's brand new, it's clean, and on the right hand side we can see a used blocked hexagonal roller. This, obviously the blocked roller, is going to transfer less coating to the printed sheet, probably give me less gloss points and less rub resistance. It's very easy to block an Analox hex roller. Again, we see a nice new clean Analox tri-helical roller. This picture you can actually see each and every individual laser pulse when they make the roller, engrave the roller. And on the right hand side we see the equivalent GTT roller. Again, please note the very smooth cell wall and cell base. Here you can see the same clean tri-helical roller, and then of course the blocked tri-helical roller. Again, a blocked roller, less coating, less gloss points, less rub resistance. Worn cells, basically the cell wall has been grinded down from the chamber doctor blades. We have less capacity for coating on this roller, which means again less transfer of coating, less gloss, less rub resistance. All these things we don't get with a GTT roller. In these pictures we can see 1,000 times magnification of the coating layer on the printed sheet, and the picture on the left, the hexagonal roller, we can see microscopic pinholes in the coating layer. We don't have that with the GTT roller, which basically means for the food packaging industry, the GTT is the best option for us if we want to try and have less migration of ink to the final product. At many times over the last couple of years with GTT, we've actually performed a coating consumption test where we print 30,000 sheets with a GTT roller and 30,000 sheets with an Analox hexagonal roller, and then we compare the gloss results and the volume consumed. So for 30,000 sheets on this consumption test, the Analox hexagonal roller, which was 8.4 BCM, we calculated we used 54 kilo of coating, which was 1.8 kilo of coating for 1,000 sheets. For the GTT medium roller, we actually used 45 kilo for 30,000 sheets, which calculated at 1.51 kilo of coating per 1,000 sheets, which was a saving of 16%. At the moment, we have over 500 GTT rollers installed worldwide. In the US, we have over 75 GTT rollers. The GTT roller is available for all press sizes and all manufacturers. Thank you so much for your attention.